Thanks for watching. This is a clear headlight restoration with a K. You can go to clear.us for more information, more videos. What we do is we tape it, we sand it with 3 different types of grit. Once you get it to a smooth surface, you spray it. Make sure you're at room temperature. As you can see, it's completely clear. Once you get to that point, you want to take a black light to it. The sunlight works just as well. This is for quick delivery. It only takes about 20 minutes of sanding per headlight. We charge anywhere from $89 to $119 a set. It comes out 90% to restoration, but this one's closer to 100%. Here in a minute you can angle in closer for the video. The video really doesn't do it justice. What's happening here is there's a UV light that comes off of here and it has a heat element to it. What's inside of the product here has a hardening agent and a UV protectant, and so it doesn't turn yellow. We warranty that for as long as you own the vehicle. We've been doing this over 11 years now. We've done well over 2,000 applications. You can purchase it online and do it yourself, or you can call us for the service if you're in the San Antonio area. It's 210-334-7392. Thanks for watching Clear.us.